Okay, behind us we have what we refer to as the Jolly Green Giant. Sometimes it's a simulator. This being a Cat 9 airport, it represents the various types of aircraft we get in here. On the far side of the aircraft are the 330 engines. On this side, at the back, we have the MD-82 engine and the ATB, the Advanced Turboprop. Underneath we have an undercarriage that would be similar to what would be found on the BAE 146 or the Avro RJ, and something similar on the 737 and the Airbus A320. Essentially what it is, it's an all-in-one package. It represents about 20 different scenarios of fires that you could get on the various aircraft that come in here. It burns two different kinds of fuels. It'll burn kerosene, which is the Jet A1 that the aircraft use, and then we use natural gas. We can have fuselage fires on both sides of the aircraft simultaneously. We can have overwing fires, engine fires and undercarriage fires, all simultaneously, or each individual set off or in sequence, depending on what scenario we want to go for in the training exercise. We've had it here now about 4 years. We found it a very good learning tool. It's more representative of what we will come across in the normal work of our duties here. So far, I have to say now, from an external and an internal firefighting point of view, a very good tool for ourselves. The other facilities we had before this, while you got heat and smoke, the realism of what you would have to do in terms of your search, positioning, the difficulties that would be involved with any of the aircraft should one have a fire, are much better represented with this piece of kit. Expensive piece of kit, but a worthwhile piece of kit.